How to send message on Signal. Are you guys facing issue to send message on Signal? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To send a message on Signal, open the app and log in into your account with your registered email and password. On the home screen, tap the pencil icon or new message button in the top right corner. You'll see a list of your contacts who are already on Signal. Tap on the name of the person you want to message. This will open the chat screen. Now tap the text box at the bottom. Type a message and hit the send icon on the right. You can also tap the attachment icon to send photos, videos, documents, or even record voice notes. Messages are end-to-end encrypted, so your conversation stays private. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to send messages on Signal application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.